But once you get this and you begin to create lead magnets, well, then how do we sort of automate this at scale? And that's where I really want to focus on, which I think you all want to hear more about as well. So now that we've understand the value of email, the value of lead magnets, we have lots of ideas for lead magnets now, right? How do we go ahead and promote these? Lead magnets do not build your list unless you can actually promote them. So there are many ways to promote lead magnets. This is an example. You're seeing a screenshot inside GetResponse of these pop-up forms, and they have dozens of templates that you can choose from. And these are just some examples in which you add the text, you customize the look and feel, and boom, you now have a form that appears on your site that allows people to immediately access your content, and you get to grow your list. So this is a very, very easy way of doing this. In fact, GetResponse also has additional applications. You're seeing a number of them here. The exit pop-up, the shake box that sort of shakes like this. You've probably seen these on their websites, and if you haven't implemented them, you're probably wondering, how the heck do we implement them, right? Well, it's very, very easy to do by just using the app, getting your hands on a template, and customize it. So some of the most popular ones here, the exit pop-up, which senses when your cursor is about to leave and click on the tab, it will immediately, hey, leaving so fast, why not save time, receive our updates? Or obviously, this is where you want to show your lead magnet. We have the fix bar at the very top. When there's something you want to make sure that every visitor sees on every page, that's when you want to use the fix bar. Obviously, each one of these is going to convert differently, so you want to check your analytics to see which ones do better. And then we have the scroll form. So as you scroll down and you get to a certain point, you'll see this form pop up. And it's qualified the fact that you've already gone deep into content. You probably have some interest. So it's probably going to convert a little bit higher, but it is not going to be shown to everybody who comes to your site unless they scroll down. Obviously, like any other email marketing solution, GetResponse integrates with a lot of the leading pop-up form and all these third parties. If what you saw up until now was not enough for you and you want to customize things in a certain way. So Opt-in Monster is one that I use, and they have a lot of different formats that you see here. Some are the same as what GetResponse has. Some like full screen welcome mats, countdown timers, content lockers are pretty unique to Opt-in Monster. There's another one that I use if you're into showing these various top bars and scrolling and what have you. This is a tool called Get Site Control that also integrates with GetResponse that you should check out as well. So there's tons of lead magnet ideas, and there's tons of ways to get people to notice the fact that you have a lead magnet when they come to your site. The technology's there, right? But the technology can also get a little bit complicated when you start using different companies' products. And this is really what I want to talk about here, because maybe the technology is holding you back, right? But you're ready to run. Hopefully, when you get here, it's like, yes, how do I do this? How do I automate this? What is this functionality that you're going to introduce me to, Neil? So let's get to that.